language. Yes, you are right. 8 boys and Sweta class. A big round of applause. Good evening, all. Today I am going to tell a good evening, all. My name is Akshay. I am studying in 8th class. Today I am going to tell about punctuation. First of all, I would ask you what is punctuation? Punctuation is a set of symbols that are used in writing to separate sentences and their elements. The importance of punctuation in our daily life. For example, it shows let us eat comma grandpa. It represents that somebody is asking grandpa to eat. In second sentence, there is no punctuation. Let us eat grandpa. It means that we should eat grandpa. Another example. A woman, comma, without her man is nothing. In second sentence, a woman, semicolon, without her, comma, man is nothing. In first sentence, it represents that woman without her man is nothing. In second sentence, it represents that a woman without her man is nothing. Let us know more about punctuations. Bye, Madam.
Good morning to all. My name is Manoj. I am studying about punctuation marks. How many punctuation marks are there? Yes, correct. There are 16 punctuation marks. There are full stop or period, comma, question mark, inverted commas, parenthesis, dash, capital letters, hyphen, apostrophe, ellipsis, bracket or space, curly bracket, dash, semicolon, colon, exclamation mark. I am going to say about few punctuation marks. What is full stop or a period? Okay, I will say full stop or a period used to end a sentence. Example, I like to play football. After football, we have to keep full stop. Comma, what is comma?
Common.
Okay, I will say comma is a slight break between the two sentences. Example, there are many buses, cars, jeeps, lorries and bikes on road. Question mark. What is question mark? Okay, I will say question mark is to indicate that a sentence has questions and begins with why, what, when, who. Example, what are you doing? After doing, there is question mark. Parenthesis. What is parenthesis? I will say parenthesis is used to enclose the incidental or supplemental information and comment. Inverted commas. What is inverted commas? I will say inverted commas are used to write quotations and speeches. Example, Ramu said, comma, I am busy. In quotations, inverted comma. Dash. What is dash? I will say a dash is a punctuation mark that is used to separate the sentences. Example, Jaipur is a dash city. What is capital letters? I will say capital letters are used to starting sentences. Example, Hyderabad is a big city. What is hyphen? I will say hyphen is a punctuation mark that represents a sentence is divided into two parts. Example, well-known hyphen doctor. Thank you. My friend will.
Today I would like to get some punctuation. That are apostrophe,
Ellipsis.
ellipsis, brackets, correct.
curly bracket. What is square? Apostrophe. Apostrophe is another coming from the general audience to address a specific group of person or personified abstraction absent or present. For example, do not. When we put abstraction, it will like I do not like chocolate. Ellipsis. Ellipsis. What is ellipsis? The omission of one or more words that are obviously understood. For example, were you thinking about me today? Today after we need to put ellipsis. Square brackets. What is square brackets? Square brackets. Either of the pair of characters that user to enclose the section of writing or printing to separate A from the text are also called brackets. For example, if I can't keep our house, if I square brackets our house, I will shrink the house down. There of one mark that are used a pair of words or items that are to be considered together. For example, the only I friend spoken in Paris. Curly brackets, do you speak English?
Writing in our life. Punctuation mark saves our life. A small change can make big difference. Punctuation mark helps to understand.
Good to all. Today I'm Sweta from class 6. Today I'm going to tell about some punctuation marks. They are slash, semicolon, colon and exclamation mark. Slash is used to represent exclusive or inclusive or division and fraction n as a date separator. For example, each child will take his slash her English activity home tonight. Example 2. Dear Secretary slash Treasurer. Semicolon. The semicolon is used to connect independent clauses. It shows a closer relationship between the clauses than a period would show. For example, John was hurt. Semicolon. He knew he did that to upset him. Example 2. Take test tomorrow. Semicolon. I can't go out tonight. Colon. A colon is used to give emphasis, present dialogue, introduce lists or text. By composition title. For example, here is a list of groceries I need. Colon. A loaf of bread, a quart of milk, a stick of butter, etc. Example 2. There are two choices at this time. Run away or fight. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark means expressing surprise, strong emotion or pain. For example, hooray, we won the match! Exclamation mark. I am really going to miss this place! Exclamation mark. How wonderful! English activities every week are! Exclamation mark. Thank you.
Punctuation is an important detail of writing. In writing, punctuations are used to separate sentences and their elements. If there were no punctuations, people wouldn't understand remarks and sentences.